Pyramids align perfectly with the stars, myth or reality. For centuries, the Great Pyramids of Giza have stood as monumental testaments to the ingenuity and ambition of ancient Egyptian civilization. But beyond their impressive size and symmetrical design lies a question that has puzzled and fascinated historians, scientists, and stargazers alike. Are the pyramids deliberately aligned with the stars? Or is this celestial connection merely a modern myth fueled by our imagination? In this journey through history and science, we'll uncover the truth behind this enduring mystery. Did the ancient Egyptians deliberately engineer cosmic precision in their designs? Or have we projected our own longing for patterns onto these ancient marvels? Let's dive into the heart of the debate. The Great Pyramids of Giza, constructed over 4,500 years ago, remain one of the most extraordinary architectural achievements in human history. Built as tombs for pharaohs Khufu, Khafre, and Menkaure, these jaw-dropping structures rise from the sands of Egypt, embodying the advanced engineering skills of the ancient world. Despite lacking modern technology, the builders achieved remarkable precision in their designs. For instance, the base of the Great Pyramid of Khufu is a nearly perfect square, with sides differing by less than 8 inches. This accuracy has fueled speculation about their methods of measurement and design. What tools did they use? How did they ensure such stunning uniformity? And most intriguingly, was the layout of the pyramids influenced not only by earthly concerns, but also by the stars in the night sky? Ancient Egyptians had a deep connection with the cosmos. Beyond practical needs, like creating a reliable agricultural calendar, the stars played a significant role in their spiritual beliefs. This celestial obsession raises an intriguing question. Did their fascination with the heavens inspire the design of the pyramids? One of the most popular theories relating to pyramid stellar alignment is the claim that the 3 pyramids at Giza replicate the arrangement of Orion's belt, the trio of stars within the Orion constellation. Orion was significant to the ancient Egyptians as they associated it with Osiris, the god of the afterlife, resurrection, and fertility. According to this theory, the pyramids might have been designed to mirror Orion's belt, reflecting the Egyptians' belief in an eternal connection between their pharaohs and the cosmos. Proponents of this theory argue that the positions of the pyramids align with these 3 stars, Alnitak, Alnilam, and Mintaka. The slight offset in the alignment of the smallest pyramid, Menkaure's pyramid, supposedly matches the offset of the faintest star in Orion's belt. This, they claim, is evidence of deliberate planning to honor celestial symbolism. But how plausible is this idea? Did the ancient Egyptians have both the tools and knowledge to achieve such a feat? Or are we overinterpreting their intentions? To support the claim of stellar alignment, researchers point to several pieces of evidence. The Giza pyramids are almost perfectly aligned to the cardinal directions, north, south, east, and west. This level of accuracy, achieved using primitive tools, suggests a sophisticated understanding of astronomy. The sighting of stars, particularly those close to the horizon, was likely integral to this precision. There's additional evidence that the ancient Egyptians used the night sky as a guide. For example, the dioptra, a simple yet effective tool, allowed them to measure angles and mark horizons. By observing the position of key stars over time, they could establish true north, enabling precise layouts of their monumental structures. Furthermore, inscriptions and ancient texts indicate the Egyptians' reverence for the stars. The ancient pyramid texts, carved in burial chambers, speak of the king ascending to the stars, reiterating the spiritual connection between the heavens and the afterlife. This celestial focus raises the possibility that aligning with Orion's belt was not only feasible, but intentional. Despite the compelling narrative, skepticism lingers. Critics argue that the supposed alignment with Orion's belt isn't as precise as advocates claim. While the general shape of the pyramids roughly resembles the 3 stars, detailed measurements show imperfections in their positioning. The pyramids aren't perfectly scaled to the star pattern. If alignment was the goal, why didn't the builders achieve a more exact match? Others point out that Orion's belt is just one of countless formations in the sky. Are we cherry-picking a convenient constellation to support our theory? Confirmation bias, or the tendency to interpret information in a way that fits our preconceptions, may play a role. After all, humans are wired to seek patterns, even where none exist. Another critique questions whether practical needs might have taken precedence over cosmic designs. The pyramids' locations could have been chosen based on the availability of materials, proximity to the Nile River, or alignment with earlier structures, rather than celestial inspiration. Regardless of whether the Giza pyramids align with Orion's belt, the idea of connecting terrestrial structures to the heavens is not unique to ancient Egypt. Across the globe, civilizations have built monuments with celestial alignments. Stonehenge in England is famously oriented to capture the summer and winter solstices, while the ancient Mayan temples of Chichen Itza align with equinoxes. These examples highlight how humans have always sought to bridge the earth and sky, using the stars as guides for their creations. Why this universal fascination with the cosmos? Ancient cultures saw the stars as more than astronomical objects. They were celestial maps, mythological storytellers, and sources of spiritual power. This connection between humanity and the heavens is an enduring theme in history, one that keeps the claims about the pyramids' alignment alive. So, do the pyramids align with Orion's belt? The answer lies somewhere in the space between fact and interpretation. There's no question that the ancient Egyptians had extraordinary astronomical knowledge and a deep spiritual connection to the stars. It's plausible they used this understanding to influence their architectural designs. However, it's equally important to recognize the limitations of the evidence. Precise alignment with Orion's belt remains speculative due to imperfections in both the pyramid layout and the modern interpretation of ancient methods. While the stellar alignment argument is alluring, it lacks definitive proof. Still, this doesn't diminish the significance of the pyramids. They represent an awe-inspiring dialogue between humans and their environment, embodying a desire to understand the greater mysteries of existence. Whether or not they align perfectly with Orion, their mere possibility sparks wonder and curiosity. Why does the idea of star-aligned pyramids continue to intrigue us? Perhaps it's because it speaks to something bigger than ancient engineering. The concept bridges the tangible and the spiritual, linking humanity to the vastness of the cosmos. It reminds us of our shared desire to seek meaning in the universe, to understand both our place among the stars and our connections to those who came before us. This connection transcends history. It unites science lovers, history enthusiasts, and dreamers who gaze at the night sky and imagine the impossible. The Great Pyramids of Giza, regardless of their exact alignment, serve as a timeless reminder of human curiosity, innovation, and imagination. In the end, it doesn't matter whether the pyramids perfectly align with Orion's belt. Their true magic lies in their ability to endure as symbols of human ingenuity and aspiration. Aligning earthly monuments with celestial bodies, whether fact or myth, reflects humanity's timeless drive to connect with the universe. So, the next time you look up at the stars, remember this. Whether rooted in science or speculation, the awe inspired by the Great Pyramids invites us all to pursue answers to the mysteries of existence, just as the ancient Egyptians did millennia ago.